Good morning! Ngayon, nandito kami sa labas. Pinaliguan si Coco. Anilinisan. Coco. Sunbathing. Coco. Good morning. Good morning, Coco. He is afraid. And then, Farah is here. Hello, Farah. Hello. Hello, Farah. Sunbathing, Farah. Ah, and Sweetie, get afraid. Stay inside here, the box. Inside the box. She afraid. And my stray birds here busy eating. I'm feeding them every morning and afternoon. They are here now. So cute. And Farah and Cuckoo is happy. They have companion here outside. Cuckoo. 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 Ay, nagliparan. Nagliparan. Natakot ang mga bird. Bababa rin sila ulit. Yan. Gugulat pa ay. Nagugulat. Nagugulat sila kay Coco. Kay si Coco. Iyan. Sunbathing. Yeah, sunbathing, Coco. Ah. Cleaning their house. Farah. Hello, hello, hello. You're afraid. Don't be afraid, Coco. And then Farah. Chill lang si Farah. Chills. Only chill, only. Yan. Happy si Farah. Yeah, very nice. Good morning. Good morning, Farah. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Sweetie afraid. Hiding inside the box. Yeah, buwan. And I put some also here. They are scattered. They are. Why afraid? Yan. Afraid? Why afraid? Every morning they are happy. Then, oh. Why afraid? Don't be afraid. There. Ah, gulat lagi. Yan, doon agad sila takbo sa taas. Takbuhan sa taas. Thank you for watching. Let's check the flowers blooming there. See, very nice. It's like a bell, like that. Starting blooming because winter is coming. This part, that part is still, yeah, like that. Almost bearing there. Berry flower. See? There. And my turtle is here. Hello. Hello. And the two is hiding down inside that. And that's why the bees is there up. Thank you for watching. More bees coming. There. Taba. Because the soil is organic. This one is new plants. I use organic, and also this. And my lemon is matured already. Become big. This one almost open the flower. Yeah, that is a vine plants. I put stick there. Good morning. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.